let's look at how to create a map showing the number of loans by state. So in the visualizations, you have three map options. You have the map, the filled map, and the ArcGIS map for Power BI. So in the report that I created for you, I actually used the filled map, and we can take a look at that. I can put address, state, and location. And then what I did is under color saturation, I pulled in loan amounts for color saturation, and I changed that to be the count. And then I went into the colors under format, and under data colors, I chose to go from a really light color like white to the dark orange color. All right, and so that is certainly an option. However, there are some other map options. You could do the bubble graph here, and you can play with those data colors as well. And in this case, the size of the bubbles is the count of the loan amount. We could also do the color saturation for the loan amount, and we could make that either a count or a sum. I'm actually going to leave it on sum because I have the size by the count of the loan amount, and I'm going to make color saturation to be the sum of the loan amount. All right, I'm just playing around a little bit here just so you can see some different ways you can work with this. But ultimately, I think a better way to feature the loan amounts by state is with the ArcGIS map. So I'm going to remove this. And I'm going to pull in state to location. And now the editing features on this one are a little bit different. So instead of editing it for the color saturation here, I am going to add the loan amount for color saturation, or in this particular graphic it's just called color. So let me pull in loan amount again, loan amount, and I'm going to use the count. And the colors are a little bit more striking here, so I do like this particular map option. Notice the three dots. If you click on the right, you get an edit option. And we can have some more options for these colors. It's under symbol style, and you can play with these a little bit if you want to. I'm just going to go straight to the color. On the color ramp, I'm going to choose a blue spectrum so it aligns a little bit more nicely with the stacked bar graph below. So I'm going to choose the blue. You'll see here that under map theme, you can choose to have it in color, or this will not have any color, but we'll leave this alone in color. Also on the base map, you can choose more of a black base. I think the gray looks better with the rest of the graphics we're going to have in this report, so I'm going to leave it at gray. And back to your report. And I'm going to work on this title right here. It's really small, and I want to clean up the text for address state. So let me go to formatting, and I'm going to go to title, and I'm going to call it count of loans. I find that it is a little quirky. Count of loans by state. I'm going to make the font black so it's a little bit easier to see, and I'm going to make it bigger. Right, and that should do it.